Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called Rizal. If you're joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you once again for your support. Today's video is a self-care Sunday reset routine. I love self-care and I love resetting my body. This time I wanted to do a self-care one. As you guys can see, I'm first off starting out by winding down the windows as it is nighttime, and then I'm plating out this gorgeous meal, guys. It tasted so delicious. It's a spaghetti prawn tomato based pasta. It was so delicious. I will leave down the recipe. It wasn't actually from any recipe book. I just came up with it and it came out really good. So yeah, I'll put that in the description box below. Then after that, I am just heading over to sit down and chill out. I'm watching Cinzia and Sophia. If you guys haven't watched them, you definitely need to. They are very light-hearted, super fun. After that, I am heading over to the bath and I am pouring in my Baylis and Harding. This is their bath soap. I'll also list this one in the description box below. And I'm just having a nice hot bath because that's literally self-care for me. It's taking care of me and my body, and I just needed to have a nice hot bath. I just love taking time, soaking up and just chilling. As you guys can see, I am just pouring some bath salts in that bath, and these just help to distress and also help with calming my muscles, which is something that I like to do at the end of the week. Then of course pour some prosecco, because yeah, it wouldn't be a self-care without a prosecco. But I just love having like a small little glass, and this just helps to relax. You don't always have to have wine or alcohol, but sometimes there's no harm in having a drink. So that's what I am doing. Then I'm going back to the bathroom and I'm pretty much just double cleansing my face and just removing any oils, any dirt from the whole day. I just love spending time and taking care of my skin. For me, that's what self-care is. It is all about taking care of your body, taking care of my skin, and giving it the love that it deserves, because during the week you don't get enough time to just pour some love into yourself. So for me, this is what self-care looks like. For others it might be different, but yeah, that's what I love doing. So I'm just wiping all of that cleanser off, and then I'm going in with my mask. I did cleanse my face with my clearing wash, but I didn't want to show you guys because you've seen that so many times. But I'm just applying my mask and getting ready to get into the bath basically with my mask on. This helps with clarifying the skin and just also detoxing the skin, which is pretty much what I go for at the end of the week. I definitely need a detox with my skin because it's just been through it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Once I'm finished having my bath, I move on to skincare. I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I love this serum. It is so great at giving you that youthful glow, youthful looking skin, and really gives your skin that nice plump, that dewiness. I really love this serum, and it's lightweight as well, so it's not greasing at all in your skin, and it glides on so nicely on to your skin when you apply it. So I'm just applying that all over my face. Nowadays I'm into a lot of facial massages. Ever since I've turned 30, I'm just trying to preserve my skin and, you know, make it look young. And also it just helps giving your skin a facial massage because it just drains out all the toxins. As you guys can see here, I'm using the Gua Sha tool, and this really helps with facial massages and moving things around your face so that things don't stay stagnant, which is just going to help with the overall health of your skin. So I love doing this, and it also just helps, like I say, for anti-aging. So yeah, thank me later. Then after that, I am applying some eye serum, and this is the caffeine eye serum, and this is so good if you've got dark circles like I do. I just love applying this, and it's also good for the fine lines because we do not want to have fine lines at all. Then once I finish with skincare, move on to my body care, and I'm applying the Skin Relief body oil from Aveeno. This is such an amazing oil. The person that I first saw recommending this was Melissa's Wardrobe on Instagram. If you guys haven't seen her, do check her out. She always gives out the best sort of like products that are out there on the market. So I purchased this and I've never looked back. It is amazing. It makes your skin glow, and it also helps with evening out the skin tone. Then after that, I pop on some Vaseline because we have to hydrate our lips, and then I put on my white robe to get ready to head into the bedroom. Then lastly, guys, I like to head over to the bedroom and pretty much prepare for getting into bed. Before I sleep nowadays, I'm trying my best. I say trying because, you know, it's really hard to do every single day, but I'm trying to read something just to help me relax my mind and take my mind off, you know, the daily stresses. And at the moment, I'm reading The Manifest Dive Deeper by Roxy Nafaso. I think that's how you pronounce her name, and it is amazing, guys, so do check it out. It's just great for manifesting what you want in life and attracting the things that you need pretty much, and she gives you the tools on how to do so. So I've just been enjoying this. I like reading these types of books because they just inspire me and make me feel like I can achieve anything. So that's what I like to implement in my self-care, and that is pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, dolls.